Hey everybody, it's Kim Opalinsky from the Bagga team at Royal LePage, Noralta. I'm out here in Fraser Vista at 608 Fraser Vista. This is a 3,249 square foot home. There's 2 master suites upstairs plus 2 other huge bedrooms. On the main floor there's a formal living room, dining room, kitchen, spice kitchen, eating nook, and another living space, family room. Then there's also a bedroom on this level, as well as a full bathroom and laundry. Downstairs there is a legal 2-bedroom suite and a theater room. Let's go take a look. As you can see, it has a double-car garage. This home is so spacious, perfect for a big family. And like I said, there is the legal basement suite, so lots of room for making some money. Here is the formal living room as you come in, and then there's the formal dining area. Look at this awesome staircase going up. It goes off both ways. Then you come over here, there's a closet. And then here is where the laundry, and then the full bath is here. It's tub shower combo. There's your laundry. Then you come down here to the right. There is your bedroom that's on the main floor. You can use it as an office as if you wish, but it is a bedroom. So then come over here, and back here is your family room. Very spacious, as I said. There's the eating nook. You can see they have a huge table there, and there's still lots of room. Here is a little sidebar or desk. Lots and lots of storage in this home. Lots and lots of storage. There's dishwasher, gas stove. See all the cabinetry? And then here's your little spice kitchen I was telling you about. These are coming back in style. They're very popular nowadays. It's just a little electric stove in here. Lots of cupboards as well. Here's the backyard. They'll still be building behind there. They have a little deck. The barbecue. Okay, let's make our way upstairs. Okay, up these beautiful stairs. Ready? Here we go. Like I said, there's 2 master suites up here, plus 2 big bedrooms. And a little bonus area. They are using it like a little office space. See, they have a little couch here as well. So there's lots of room. Big storage room. And then here is the first master bedroom. This is one of the smaller ones. But as you can see, it's big. Very big. And then here's the bathroom. It's a big shower. Okay. Now we'll go to the 2 spare bedrooms. Look at that chandelier there. Okay, here's one of the spare bedrooms. And like I said, they're very big, even though they're just a small spare room. Lots and lots of room in here. Okay, and then here's a main bath for the people upstairs that don't have their own, which is only 2 because there's 2 master suites. And then here we go down a little hall to the second spare bedroom. And again, very big. Has a little desk area over there. Okay, and then here's the main master bedroom. Big double doors to go in. There's one. There's the other one. And here we go. Nice big windows, lots of light. Big, big space. And then the ensuite is around the corner here. Double sinks. Nice big tub. Look at that jacuzzi tub. Wouldn't you like to soak in there? And then a shower and a toilet closet. And then there is a walk-in closet here as well. Okay, so now if you want to know the price of this home, it is $674,800. And like I said, it has a legal 2-bedroom suite downstairs, and that's where we're going to go next. You can just enjoy the view as we're going down the stairs. Take in all the nice surroundings. It's nice to have that extra family living room. I'd like to say hi to my viewers. Susan, Betty, Mike. Okay, here we go down to the basement. Now, on the left side, going down these stairs, is the legal 2-bedroom basement suite. On the right side is the theater room. So how about we go see the theater room first? There is a half bath here. So if you're watching a movie and have to go to the bathroom, you don't have to run all the way upstairs. So here's the theater room. Big screen. Look at that screen. I'm going to go back here so you can see from all the way back here. Okay, and then they have these theater chairs and then a couch. And now we'll go into the legal suite. Okay, it does have another entrance. So this entrance will be locked. And this is the entrance over here for your person who rents the basement suite to come in. Okay. And then their suite is just down here. So as you can see, it has a nice sized living room. And then the kitchen, so it's open concept. Quite a few cabinets down here as well. There is no dishwasher in this basement suite, but little labor doesn't hurt anybody. And there is the tub shower combo. There's bedroom number 1. There's a closet, lots of storage. And then here is bedroom number 2. It's sort of an L shape. And this one has a nice big closet. Nice big walk-in closet. Ta-da! There we go. Okay. Well, if you have any questions about this home, I would be very happy to answer any of your questions. You can just send me a message. Like I said, it's 3249 square feet, 2 master suites upstairs plus 2 more bedrooms. It has main floor has a bedroom as well as a full bath, 2 living spaces, spice kitchen, legal 2-bedroom basement suite, and the theater room. And all this for $674,800. Have a great day. Oh yeah, you can reach me at 780-566-7974.